Hello, Matt Peterson, Quinn Global US, and today we're going to demonstrate how to use TensorGrip G67 with carpet tile. First thing, we've got our gun and hose all hooked up, we've got our canister in our cart, and the next thing we want to do is grab a cardboard TensorGrip G67 spray shield. And what this will do is keep you from getting any overspray adhesive on the wall. And without further ado, let me spray along the wall here. And so what I've done now is I've just edged the adhesive. So we'll put a little heavier layer of adhesive around the edges to keep the tile from moving. I can set my spray shield aside now. And the next thing I'll do is I will do the field area spray. So what we want to do is you want to hold the gun at about a 30-degree angle and kind of pointing away from yourself. And we're going to just do a kind of a snowflake pattern is what we're looking for across the whole area. And we will show in a later video how to make sure you get the correct coverage. And that is my floor sprayed. This is an 8-foot by 16-foot area. One other thing I'd like to point out is a unique thing about this product is it can be laid into wet. So we've got adhesive over here that is still wet. It transfers to your fingertips when you touch it. But I'm going to go ahead and lay this carpet tile into it. And you can see already it's got enough tack to hold it in place. And we're looking at, that was probably a matter of a few seconds. So we can go ahead and lay this tile in. One thing I'd like to point out too is that when you lay it into the adhesive wet, you can traffic on this product within probably 5 to 10 minutes, even when you lay it wet. When you allow it to dry, like it will be in this field area here, this field area is already dry enough that it's not transferring to my fingertips. That, we could put traffic on that absolutely immediately. So we're going to lay one more carpet tile here. And one thing I'd like to point out here is that if it's in the wrong spot, we can still peel it up and replace it, put it back down again. So it's a great removability. This product will remain removable for years. It's a great advantage, besides the fact that we can spray it, apply it in much faster than troweling or rolling. The dry time is minutes, seconds or minutes, as opposed to 20 minutes to hours. So very, very fast to apply, very, very fast to dry. And one other thing I'd like to point out is, I know this is a test I've seen installers do before. They want to see if this tile is going to slide if I throw this tile. So let's see if this tile will slide on this adhesive. And I think that's a fairly good result. Didn't slide, so we're dry enough there. What I'd like to do is we'll come back over here, and this adhesive is dry and it's still removable. But if we put it back down again, we can put it back down, walk it in, and it's still removable.